Hi there, it's Sakura here. Today, I'm going to introduce the first Japanese apple juice vending machine in Tokyo. This is the one. It is 700 yen, about $4.70. You can see some fresh apples inside. These apples are Sun Fuji from Aomori prefecture. Sun Fuji apples are available in the fall through mid-winter in Japan. They are crispy and sweet, and savory floral flavor suited for raw and cooked preparations. About 3 apples are cut and squeezed automatically, and extracted juice from them. All has done in front of me and it is phantom hot. It is ready in about 60 seconds. Here it is. It is delicious. It tastes very fresh, mild and sweet. This is the original flavor of apples. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Would you like to try some unique vending machines together? Please let us know. I have to go now. See you soon.